All right, guys, here's coronavirus earth science. We're in the new unit, Geologic History. This is day 1. So the first thing I wanted to do was refresh our memories on pages 2 and 3 in your reference tables. So page 2 is talking about all the different types of landscapes. So anything that says uplands is a plateau, flat tops. Anything that's a lowland is a plain, very flat. And anything that is a highland is a mountain. So really tall, steep slopes, high peaks. Okay, so that's that. And on this page, this is the page that we started going over before we ended our time together. So just remember that on this map, you have all your different cities, you have latitude and longitude, and on this particular maps, you can use minutes, all right? Because you have individual consecutive degrees. So if you look here, it's 42, 43, 44, 45. So that means that this right here is 42 degrees and 30 minutes north, right? If you were here, it would be 42 degrees and 15, 30, 45 degrees minutes north. If you were here, it would be 43 degrees and 15 minutes north. And same thing with going west on your longitude. If you were here, you would be 77 degrees and 30 minutes west. All right, so in New York, everything is north and west. Okay, so you should be able to locate certain places. Next, we went over this. Here's your symbols. These are referencing time. These are referencing the bedrock. And these are referencing the type of rock. Okay, and we're going to be coming to those later on. All right, so in order to practice today, the only thing I wanted to do was to review those 2 pages, and in order to do that, we are going to go over this. Okay, so if you scroll down in your OneNote, it's the 3rd document. So these are the 4 things that we're going to have to figure out: the latitude and longitude of Plattsburgh, period, its bedrock, and its type of landscape. Okay, so let's do that. So the first thing we should do is locate Plattsburgh. Plattsburgh is all the way up here. So as far as latitude and longitude, you always start off with latitude first. So latitude climbs the ladder. Here's 44. Here's 4430. And it's right around here. So usually if you're within 5 to 10 minutes, you're okay. So I would just say 44, 45 north. Okay, so 44 degrees, 45 minutes north. As far as longitude, here's 73, here's 7330. And it's pretty close. So I might just go a little bit less since it's not really on the 30. So I might go 7325. Minutes west. All right, so that is this. We just got 44 degrees, 45 minutes north, and then 73 degrees, 25 minutes west. Next, what period is it? If you look at the pattern, it is the slanted lines where Plattsburgh lands. So you look up slanted lines in here, Slanted lines is the Ordovician period. So you're gonna write Ordovician. As far as the bedrock, the Ordovician period is made of this bedrock, which is mainly sedimentary. Okay, so I know it says bedrock, let's just write sedimentary for now. They rarely ask about stuff like this, but they can. So just for now, let's just keep this as type, and we're just gonna write sedimentary. And then for landscape, you're in the top right of New York State. Bring this back and go to the top right of New York State. So it's kind of like looking at them right superimposed on each other. If this is the edge of New York State, this is the edge of New York State. So Plattsburgh is right here, which is part of the Champlain lowlands. So you would write Champlain lowlands. All right, try to do the rest on your own, and I will post a key later on in the day. Make sure that you know how to do this. All right, stay safe, be well, and good luck.